Alright, camping enthusiasts, if you love the tranquility of camping alone, here are my top 10 tips to keep you safe. First up, choose a safe campsite. Look for a flat, well-drained area, away from potential hazards like falling branches or flood zones, and keep an eye out for signs of wildlife activity. Next, always inform someone of your plans. Let a friend or family member know your destination and expected return time. It's crucial someone knows where you are in case of an emergency. Tip number 3. Pack a well-stocked first aid kit. Include bandages, antiseptic wipes, pain relief medication, and any personal meds you might need. Know how to use everything in your kit. Stay hydrated and nourished. Bring plenty of water and food. Keeping your energy levels up is essential for safety. When it comes to fire, follow all safety guidelines. If campfires are allowed, keep them small and never leave them unattended. Fully extinguish them before leaving the campsite. Use proper lighting. Have a reliable flashlight or headlamp with extra batteries. This helps you navigate safely after dark and avoid accidents. Be aware of wildlife. Know the animals in your area and store food securely in bear-proof containers or hung from a tree. Learn how to react if you encounter wildlife. Always check the weather forecast before heading out. Be prepared for changing conditions and pack the right gear for rain, wind, or cold temperatures. Keep your gear secure. Use locks on your tents and vehicles if necessary, and avoid leaving valuables in plain sight. Finally, trust your instincts. If something doesn't feel right, whether it's the campsite, the weather, or a person you encounter, always err on the side of caution. By following these tips, you'll enhance your safety and enjoy a more secure and enjoyable camping experience. Stay safe out there and happy camping. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more camping tips and adventures.